All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So never, 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 0%, never. Not going to happen ever. No way. She will never be here. He will never learn the lesson. Yeah, they will never know what to do. No. Yeah, I never make that mistake. I have never been there. I have never been to Ireland. Yeah. Yeah, never. Never. I never know what to do. Whoops, what happened there? I never know what to do. When I see that news, I never know what to do. I never know what to do because it's so strange. Because it is so strange and unexpected. Yes. I never know which to choose. Yeah. Sometimes we have a choice of things, but we never know which to choose. Never know which one. We can never decide. We can never decide. We can never decide. Yeah. He will never speak to her. Yeah. Well, how do you know he will never see her again? How do you know he will never see her again? And that's a long time. Yeah, long time. Yeah. Yeah. So, never. Not going to happen. Now, can you use never in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.